So hi everyone, welcome back to our channel JMDI Academy. Today we have Pratik Singh with us. So Pratik, you are from Bareilly, right?
Yes, sir.
So have you ever thought that मेरे को भी IT NEET JEE के लिए प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए या पहले से ही माइंड में मर्चेंट नेवी का ख्याल था?
Sir, actually, I already made up my mind that I have to join Merchant Navy. I was never that kind of a boy कि मुझे भेड़ चाल करनी है या फिर I have to get into that. I already made up my mind that I have to get into this field and do something different and unique.
That's nice. So how did you come to know about JMDI Academy?
Sir, I got to know about JMDI Academy while I was searching about this profession, how to get into it. So I got to know about the exam pattern and all. So all this information I got from Praneet sir's video, and that's how I got to know about JMDI Academy.
So well, if you want to suggest two best things, like you want to share two best things of JMDI Academy, what are they?
Sir, two best thing which I want to share is that as our director say that teachers are available all the time. You can ask doubts anytime you can, and interviews preparation is best here. And obviously teachers are also best preparing us for IMUCT and company sponsorship, but interviews are also best.
So that's great. So you said as a director say. So directors say, but is it actually working? Like if you ask
It is
teachers,
definitely working, sir. It is
that's
definitely
great.
working.
So if you ask teachers off timings, like yeah, let's
Yes,
say you're studying.
I personally, I'm sharing my example. Yesterday I came to sir, our aptitude teacher. He solved my all the doubt. In fact, he is not even teaching in my batch. He is of different batch.
That's
but
great.
he solved my problem.
Perfect. So these are the things basically we providing and ये बहुत ज़्यादा कहीं ना कहीं आपको हेल्प करता है आपके सिलेक्शन में, राइट? यू डू नॉट हैव टू वेट कि यार आपका बैच के टीचर आए उसके बाद कोई समझाएगा तो ठीक है, नहीं तो नहीं, इंस्टेंट आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट्स ग्रेट यार. जहाँ से आप आते हो उसमें काफ़ी सारी क्वेरीज हैं बरेली से, यूपी से, दैट यस दे वांट टू ज्वाइन मर्चेंट नेवी बट इन डाउट दैट इज इट गुड फॉर मी, शुड आई कैन ज्वाइन, मैं कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं. सो क्या आप एक मैसेज उनको देना चाहोगे जो ऐसा बच्चे सोचते हैं?
Sir, it's not like that. Anyone can join this field, and if you have interest in it, then you should definitely approach JMDI Academy. It will help you in any of your doubts, and it will definitely be helpful for you.
Great. So your dream shipping company?
My dream shipping company is Anglo Eastern.
Anglo Eastern. Great. So जब ship में जाओगे then you start earning in dollars. So first salary से क्या करोगे?
So first salary से वैसे तो I did not thought about it like that.
Okay.
But I'll save it. For basically, I'm interested in investment and all those things, so I'll invest it.
Superb. So as you said that you are interested in investment and everything, and you'll save your that money.
Yes.
So have you met Praneet sir before? Like have you got
No,
a
sir,
one-on-one
but
session?
I've met Praveen sir.
Praveen sir. Okay. So let's say if you get chance to meet Praneet sir and have a dinner with him.
Yes,
So
sir.
what one question you'll ask him?
Sir, what one question I'll ask him is that how he's still motivated to my matlab, I get inspired from him. Like at this age, he is obviously is not going to the ship right now, but running his business, and he's so motivated in helping children with their problems. He's so much being an inspiration to us कि वो अभी भी हमारे लिए कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. कोई होता उस फील्ड में तो वो नहीं करता है यार, वो क्यों बताना चाहेगा? He is helping us
with full energy, right?
with full energy. तो वो कैसे इतना मोटिवेशन आ रहा है आपके अंदर?
हार्ड वर्क एंड कंसिस्टेंसी, एक ही चीज़ उनसे सीखने को मिलती है. एंड जस्ट वी एज अ स्टूडेंट जो आप हो एंड ऑल दो भी हमें प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ एक चीज़ साथ ले जाना है यार, दैट हार्ड वर्क एंड कंसिस्टेंसी. और वो हंगर होना चाहिए हमेशा, राइट? यू वांट टू, स्काई इज द लिमिट.
यस सर.
एंड अभी शिप में जाओगे, कॉलेज में जाओगे, वहाँ पे कैसे परफॉर्म करना है वो सब इधर से ही बताओगे. और यही चीज़ जो आपको जर्नी आपकी रहेगी वही बताएगी कि दैट अभी शिप में कैसे परफॉर्म करना है, राइट? सो एट लास्ट जो व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं यार, जिनको मर्चेंट नेवी ज्वाइन करना है या दे वांट टू ज्वाइन JMDI Academy, व्हाट वन मैसेज यू वांट टू सजेस्ट देम?
To all the viewers, my message is to, first of all, you should be clear, do you really want to join Merchant Navy? And if you want to join, then don't hesitate about it. I would suggest that come to JMDI Academy. It is the best academy right now, and it will definitely 100% guarantee your selection, and you will be selected.
That's great. Thank you so much.